Welcome to DMAX IT Solutions. Are you tired of being bogged down by constant IT issues that hinder your business's growth? Do you dream of a seamless and productive work environment for your team? Well, today, we have the perfect solution for you. A Managed Service Provider, or MSP. At DMAX IT Solutions, we believe that prevention is the key to success. Our proactive and preventive approach is designed to keep your business ahead of the curve and ensure you never have to deal with IT troubles again. Say goodbye to reactive firefighting. With our proactive workflow, our team actively monitors your IT infrastructure 24/7, looking for potential issues before they become critical problems. By catching and resolving issues early, we ensure your business stays up and running without any disruptions. Cybersecurity is a paramount concern for any business. With cyber threats growing rapidly, you need a strong defense. At DMAX IT Solutions, we implement cutting-edge security measures, conduct regular security audits, and provide employee training to keep your data and your customers' information secure. Outdated technology can hinder your team's productivity and create holes in your security. With DMAX IT Solutions, you'll never have to worry about that. We proactively manage your hardware and software, ensuring everything is up to date and functioning optimally, so your employees can work efficiently and securely. As your business grows, so do your technology needs. Our proactive workflow is designed to scale with your business, ensuring your IT infrastructure can accommodate your growth without any interruptions or downtime. So if you want to take your business to new heights, DMAX IT Solutions is your answer. Don't wait for IT disaster to strike. Contact us today and let our experts take care of you, so you can focus on what matters most, the success of your business.